Hi guys, so salitan kami ng cousin ko dito. So, hindi ako magsasalita kapag siya ang maglalaro. Hindi naman din siya, hindi rin ako magsasalita pag siya na rin ang maglalaro, okay? Kaya, please like and subscribe naman, oh. Cousin start.
Hello guys, we're murderer.
Ako lang first.
That's fucking.
Oy,
Sorry.
huwag ka magmulat.
Sorry. I didn't mean it. Okay, I'm gonna be sneaky. I'm not gonna kill anyone. I hate snack. I hate stackies. You're literally so. What? What did I just do? Hey. I'm kinda scared because I don't know how to play with it when I got some hurt. This is a nightmare. But why is she stabbing in her?
Hindi siya babae, lalaki.
I We're so good.
Uy, buti siya.
No one's gonna see the gun. Literally no one. Come here, you. Come here. Okay, I have truly hitbox. Ouch. Stop. Talking someone. Who just escaped from me? You die. If I win, it's my again. I'm kinda lucky. Where's the last? Where's the last person? Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. Just throwing around. Oh wow. The fuck? We're finding the merge.
Makaino.
We're finding the last Ino. I think he might be find the gun. So, need be careful. Careful. I think he's in the bed. Okay. It's not stabbing.
Sa mga ano yan.
Okay, it's not stabbing, okay?
Auto-stab naman yan. Ayun o.
I truly.
Patay na. Ay.
GG guys, I'm so good.
You don't need loud. Ikaw pa talaga na last.
Shoot.
Oh.
You're innocent. Yeah.
Innocent.
I'm
Shut up.
So, di
Shut
mag-record. Aray ko.
Ay. Kagag. Charat.
You're making fun of me.
Ito panog. Tumingin ka nga ka-English. English? Wawa, English. Oh my God.
We have
So, mamaya ako lalabas. Uy, pwede pa dito magtago? Like,
No.
oh,
Puputi ka
pwede.
naman dyan.
So, pag hinahabol ako ng murder, no? Pero matagal nga lang gumalaw.
Na doon sa loob yung gun.
I know, dun, kahit di mo pa sabihin, te.
Oh my God, I'm his big sister. I think it's the bald guy
Oh my God.
with a yellow skin.
I know, you said that. Uy.
I'm gonna win.
B, shut up kasi. Mabay si Bibi. Ako ulit. sabi ko walang ingay. Ingay mo siya, charet.
I think they love my voice.
They love my voice.
They love my voice. But don't be weird. Don't be
Innocent na naman, innocent.
Sabi kasi pag na person ko,
Paki ko. Hey! Real talk.
di ba ayun yung pinatay ko, tinarget ko.
Oh my god. I need to see. Hey, stop following me, please. Oh,
It's normal.
it's abnormal. Charot.
What? I don't...
Oh my god. I heard something.
It's the girl with the hat.
Yay!
Oh my god! I'm the best now.
She see me. She see me.
Ano si
Oh my
Shady?
god.
What's the meaning of...
She habol-habol me. Oh my god.
the meaning of...
Ay, hinahabol nga ako. Manahimik kang anong what's the meaning? Baka masapak-pak kita.
No, what's the meaning of that?
What's the meaning of that?
I don't know what's the meaning of that. Boom.
I don't know.
B.O.B.
Ikaw yun.
Shut up.
Ay, bakit?
Shut up.
Back to you. Hey! Shut up.
He died. Why did you not get the gun?
Be, ayun po yung ano.
Punta ka dun sa taas.
Shut up.
No. I'm just happy.
Shut up your freaking mouth.
He's
She
cheating.
She did? Oh my god, she did.
Go
My
get
god,
the gun.
I need get the gun. Ah!
It's gonna compare. Not gonna lie. Oh my god, my eyes are so hot.
Yuck!
Stop! Don't make me laugh. Because my laugh are so ugly.
Oh. So she's camping. Oh my god. What should I do?
Mama mo, show.
Ash.
Silipin mo.
Hala!
So guys, it's my turn. My turn to shine.
Time to shine.
Wait, did the game start?
Kahit wag ka na mag-English.
Hi. Just love.
Gusto patay ko mo dyan. Oh, diba? Ah, yes. Habol. Itakbo mo siya doon. Sa naka-AFK na babae, you're so very
What?
very what?
What are you talking what?
What are you talking about?
You're talking smack.
You gay, ha? You gay, ha?
They don't know what's gay.
Fuck you.
So they're not gonna know. And please,
Oh my god, P.
can you stop
Kala mo
exposing me? Cause it's kinda making me
P.
annoyed. What? You're dumb, bitch. I don't like your avatar. It's so ugly.
So, panat. Sabi mo, the stick girl. Eh, patay si Bacon. The payat girl.
I'm gonna...
The stick girl.
It's the stick girl. Yeah, it's the stick girl. Sticker girl.
Mm.
Okay, let's just go.
Oy! Wawa naman yan.
It's... At least the way of guides. I think he got the gun.
Check mo ba kaya niyo siya?
What? It's never been a serve. Oh, there's a dead body.
Ano yung dead body?
I'm running.
Ano?
I'm running. Oh my god! You was literally in behind of my hit. You was behind me. I don't know what I see. Okay, it's your turn.
Thank you, I love you, chicken nuggets. Minex!
Bakit tayo
Oh God, what's that position? Guys, my cousin is abnormal sick.
Stop. Tama ba yung voice natin dyan? Down.
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 Oh my God!
No! No! I hate this! I wish na...
Shut up.
Kahit nanalo ka ako pa rin na. Sunod.
Yes, I know. I am not dumb like you. Shut it.
Why did you tuka me? Why did you tuka me? Why did you tuka me? Tuka me. How dare you tuka me? Ano yung tuka me?
Ano? Uka.
Literal
Oh, you know, where is the bed? Girl, I am not the murderer.
It's the
I am the sheriff.
I think it's the murder.
Oh my God.
Stop doing that. I think it's not the man. Why are you shooting him?
I think too, because... Wait, tingnan mo nga.
Pinakawalan mo yan.
Hindi nga siya. Kung siya, edi patay na ako. Ma, wait lang. I don't know rin, ma.
Ay, na yung murder.
Ito?
I think... Sabi ko kami, don't take so... Okay, guys. My little cousin died.
Hindi ba rin niya ang murder?
No, birds win. It's the stick again. Laya, I'm a Nazi girl. From the Nazi girl. Gonna make people think I'm the murd. I'm gonna slap everyone. Gonna slap you. If you cheated.
Po!
Amin na. Slapping. Ako tayo kamuta. Mati. I'm running. I don't trust the bacon. Kinda mad. I'm so rich. Guys, please follow my account. The username is Sashi. If you search, there's a girl avatar
Ang kanyang
and his
username is Sina Calci.
emo. And her avatar are kinda emo.
Uy, inis ako sa stick, girl.
Right. It's kinda, her avatar are kinda crazy. It's crazy. What the fuck? Bro, wanna kill me secretly. You pussy pee-pee. Good. You booder. I win.
Okay, Amina. No, you trade me. What the fuck? No! What the fuck?
It's mad.
Hey, I'm running. Oh my God. Babe, may hair. Na.
It's just a hair, girl.
But it's so kati-kati. Hindi ka
What? What do you mean? Kasi in the hair.
Ang mo, may kati-kati ka, may kuti-kuti ka sa puwet.
Stop.
The murder,
making a fun
not
of me
killing
to the
again. I think this boy, uy, oo nga, si Kuya nga. Ang magandang lalaki.
I'm born to the Australia with a royal family. Royal. Walang royal. Can we buy royal?
No!
My turn!
Wow!
Wow!
Boring na.
Salit-salitan. You literally said, it's salit-salit.
And, huwag ba na kasi
Okay guys, I am secretly, I can speak Tagalog. Wag! Stop it! Stop. I'm gonna picture her up reminding. We need to remind.
May pagpayat na.
Hey, stop. Let's download. Save it.
Ay, be, pwede yan sa gallery mo makikita?
Oo.
Oh, pwede pa.
Hey, it's my turn!
Wait lang.
Later ka na.
Pag may day ako.
Why tayo salit-salitan? You currently
Para may picture.
nakalimutan mo. Uy, murder ka. Papatayin kita.
There's a murder pala. No? Condolence.
No. It's that guy. No, it's that girl. Why are you shooting around? Stop! I'm not the murderer. Yo, stop. Okay, the murderer coming. Murderer coming. Die. Tingis naman yun. Okay, picture him. Yo, I'm not mad. You're going crazy. You're crazy, bro. Crazy. Hey, he's there. What if you just go on silent dive and I will find your body in the gun? No! He's so suspicious. Kill him. I'm not the murderer. Shot him! What you're doing, bro? What you doing? Literally shoot him right now. Wala, mamatay ka. Sunod ka. He's a traitor. Told you guys. Yo. No! Big, kasi naman. It's me.
Oh, I'm the sheriff. I'm the freaking sheriff.
What?
Yan.
Ugly.
Oh, fuck you. B, yung charger ko, te. Nahihila.
Yo, who asli Pilihan?
Shut up. Shut up your freaking mouth.
Click mo yung equip.
No.
Please.
No.
Tingnan mo mangyayari
I don't want. I said I don't want. Ha?
I wish you did.
If I don't want, I
wish
don't want.
you lose.
Check me out.
You're gonna lose.
Yes. I got it.
I think it's okay with the harbor.
This is not, tanga. Ano?
Ayun kasi, tama naman ito.
Hey. Sakit na siya. Hey.
Masakit yung akin. I think the bacon girl. Bacon.
Uy. Pogi. Dumikit lang pala yung ano niya sa likod. Oh
Where's the
my.
bacon girl?
Shut up. Shut up. Hey, stop. No! Why always?
Sabi ko na yung yung may parang memory kaganina. Hindi ko kasi
Ano ba yun? So guys, thank you for watching. Bye!